Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Wipro 24 to 25 hiring process. In the particular video, we will discuss about Wipro all hiring roles and salary, Wipro on and off campus hiring process, Elite, Turbo, Star, Wilp, Sim hiring, every hiring we will talk about. So in the all top MNC series, we have this 10th video. Okay, we already shared the L&T, Deloitte, Infosys, HCL Tech, other companies, okay, updates or the process. So let's start the today's video. First of all, two hiring is still active till 15th November 2024. So you can apply for opportunity. First is Wilp and second is Sim. Okay, so I created PDF or PPT for all of you. One most important point, guys, like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. Okay, so this is the on and off campus hiring process from the Wipro. So in the Wipro on and off campus hiring process, there is a hiring that is off campus Wipro Sim hiring, off campus Wipro Wilp hiring, that is for BCA, BSc. Wipro Sim hiring is for diploma candidate, Wipro Elite Turbo is for engineering courses, and Wipro Star is generally on campus hiring. Okay, so these all hirings are from Wipro. One most important point, let's say discuss about the batch hiring status of Wipro. So if I'm talking about the 21-22 batch, all hirings are completed, onboardings are ongoing. If I'm talking about 23 batch, so Wilp and Sim hiring is only announced, Elite Turbo is still not announced. Okay, due to recession, okay, we see decline or we see delay in hiring. Okay, because the previous onboardings are ongoing, so Elite Turbo not announced. For 24 batch, Wilp Sim hiring is announced, but the Elite Turbo hiring is not announced. For the 25 batch, Sim hiring is announced. Okay, other hiring is still not announced. Okay, so let's discuss about the first hiring, that is from Wipro. Okay, that is a Wipro Elite Talent Hunt. Okay, that is a Elite National Talent Hunt NTH. Okay, this is the official hiring from the Wipro for BE BTech graduate. If you can see on my screen that it is for BE BTech. Okay, like compulsory degrees BE BTech and ME MTech can apply for the opportunity. So first of all, in the Elite National Talent Hunt, your role is project engineer. Okay, your role is project engineer. Joining compensation is 3.5 LPA, and this is the 6 month, 18 month, 24 month, 36 month periodic performance bonuses. Okay, so you have opportunity of 3.5 LPA to like 10 LPA. Okay, because for the star, okay, for the star hiring there is a package 10 LPA, and for the elite hiring there is a package 3.5 LPA. Okay, let's discuss about how to apply for the Elite NTH. So first there is a registration, Wipro National Talent Hunt 23. They mentioned 23, but still 23 hiring is not announced yet. Okay, I will share the update with all of you when they will release the hiring. Then online assessment will be there, 80 minutes online assessment of verbal, analytical, quants and written communication skills followed by coding. Business discussion will be there. Okay, if you get around with our team, and stage 4 is offer letter. Okay, business discussion means interview. So let's discuss about the next hiring, that is again from Wipro, and like this is a mass hiring, or we can say that this is a regular off campus hiring, work integrated learning program, and this hiring is still active till 2024. Till 15 November 2024. Okay, so if you are from BC and BSc, if you are graduate in 23-24, this hiring is for all of you, and they will give you MTech degree from Premier University, fully sponsored by Wipro. There is an opportunity for sponsored MTech as well. So 23-24 batch can apply, and computer science, information technology, maths, statistics, electronics or physics can apply. So this hiring is still active. First there is a registration, then online assessment, okay, business discussion, HR discussion, letter of intent, LOI, pre-skilling training. There is a in-depth journey to better prepare you for your job role in Wipro, and step 7 is offer letter. The designation of Wilp is scholar trainee, and your first year stipend is 15,000 plus 488 ESI plus joining bonus of 75,000 along with the first month stipend. Second year, third year and fourth year, and there is a training agreement also. Okay, so one most important point, this hiring is still active. Application deadline is 15th November 2024. So today is 9th November. You can apply for opportunity as soon as possible if you not applied. Okay, 23-24 batch is eligible for that. Okay, so this is related. The third hiring is Wipro School of IT Infrastructure Management, that is a SIM hiring. Okay, it is generally for diploma candidate, and upgrade your diploma to Wipro sponsored BTech in information system while you work as a full-time with employee with Wipro. So they will also sponsor your BTech if you are from computer science, IT, electronics, telecommunication diploma 23, 24 and 25 batch. You can apply for opportunity. Your role is basically 23, 24, 25 batch is eligible. Okay, so first your registration will be there. Online assessment 40 minutes, verbal, analytical, quantitative and written communication, business discussion, HR, LOI, pre-skilling training and offer letter. Okay, this role is related to scholar trainee SIM. First year stipend is 12,400 per month. Second year, third year and fourth year stipend per month. And this is the benefits of SIM. Okay, there is a medical and insurance benefit, retirement benefits, pension, survivor benefits, loans. Okay, everything is mentioned by Wipro. Let's discuss about the next hiring. But School of IT Infrastructure Management 24 hiring is still active. That is a SIM hiring. Okay, SIM hiring is still active, and if you are from 23, 24, 25 batch, apply for opportunity. You can see on my screen, it is clearly mentioned. Okay, next hiring is one of the biggest hiring, that is a turbo hiring program. The turbo hiring program is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc integrated graduates. Okay, generally previously in the off campus, okay, in the off campus, Wipro conduct two type of hiring. First is for elite and first is for turbo. Okay, so in the turbo there is a BE, BTech, ME, MTech integrated can apply, and this is the batch. If I'm talking about the turbo hiring program, so the salary salary is different. Project engineer is the role as same, 5.5 lakh plus 1 lakh retention bonus. You can say that 5.5 LP is the salary or 6.5. Benefits is medical and PF, gratuity, survivor benefits, and everything is mentioned here. So 2023, for the 2023 batch, is still turbo program is not announced yet in the off campus. Elite turbo hiring is still not announced, but this is one of the biggest opportunity after elite. Next hiring is, so basically there is a registration process in turbo. Online assessment consists of 3 parts: aptitude, coding and written communication test. After business discussion and offer letter will be related. Okay, so next is star hiring program. That is one of the biggest hiring, or we can say that this is one of the on campus hiring. Okay, so it is a on campus hiring. Okay, and it is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc integrated graduates. Okay, so if you are from basically the thing is still it is only it is only conducted in the on campus, and the role is project engineer. Salary is 10 lakh plus 1 lakh retention bonus. Okay, so I already mentioned earlier that you can earn between 3.5 LPA to 10 LPA. Okay, so if your college is eligible for the star hiring program, so they will share details with all of you. So this is related to that. 60% is the criteria. Same process: registration, online assessment, aptitude, coding, written communication, business discussion and offer letter. But this hiring is generally conducted in the top tier colleges or top private colleges. So there is a one hiring that is a additional, or that is a new hiring that is added this year. Okay, that is a Wipro Elite exclusive hiring. Okay, Wipro Elite exclusive hiring, we can consider it is a college based hiring. Okay, if your college is eligible for the opportunity, you can apply for opportunity. So 23, 24 batch is there. Project engineer role 3.5 lakh is the package. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, CS, IT and circuital only. Okay, 23 and 24 batch is eligible, but it is a college based hiring. Okay, selection process: first round of online assessment 128 minutes, apti test, written communication, online programming test. Candidate can choose any of the programming language. Second is business discussion, third is HR discussion, and this is the terms. Elite exclusive hiring 24 is related to college based hiring, and you can see that I already written here it is a college based hiring. And in the college based hiring, if your college is eligible, you can apply. So this is the complete process of Wipro Elite. Like aptitude test will be there, technical knowledge MCQ based, coding will be there, 2 question, written English test will be there. Okay, so this is related to that. Okay, so this is all about the Wipro, and you can also visit the Wipro Superset portal for all the hiring details. I hope you like the video, and if you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.